Zendesk versus HubSpot Service Hub, two heavyweights in the help desk software world. But which one is truly the best? In this video, we're going to break down the core features, strengths, and weaknesses of each tool to help you make an informed decision. Stick around till the end, because after testing both, I'll share the best alternative that could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive straight in. First up, Zendesk. It's been around for a while and is widely known for its robust ticketing system. One of the major selling points of Zendesk is its flexibility. It offers a wide range of customization options for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. However, with all that flexibility, it can get a bit overwhelming, especially for smaller teams or those new to help desk systems. The learning curve is steep, and while Zendesk offers great scalability, it doesn't come cheap. Next, let's talk about HubSpot Service Hub. HubSpot has been gaining a lot of traction recently, and for good reason. One of its main draws is its ease of use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, which makes it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that don't have a dedicated support team. The Service Hub integrates seamlessly with HubSpot CRM, which is a huge benefit if you're already using HubSpot for marketing and sales. However, this integration comes at a cost, as the full suite of features can be pretty expensive compared to some of its competitors. Now, what about automation? Zendesk does offer some automated workflows, but if you're looking for more advanced automation features, you'll have to upgrade to the higher tier plans. HubSpot, on the other hand, comes with some solid automation features right out of the gate, especially in the enterprise tier. But again, this is only going to work for you if you're already within the HubSpot ecosystem, or you're willing to invest in the full range of HubSpot products. Next thing to consider, multi-channel support. Zendesk wins here hands down. Whether it's email, chat, social media, or phone support, Zendesk covers them all. The platform makes it easy to track all customer interactions in one place, and the reporting features are top-notch. HubSpot Service Hub, while it does offer chat and email support, isn't as comprehensive when it comes to channels like phone support or social media integrations. It's improving, but it's still not at Zendesk's level. The fourth thing is pricing. This is where things get a bit tricky. Zendesk has a wide range of pricing plans, but as mentioned, it can get expensive. The basic plan is fine for small businesses, but if you need advanced features, you'll be paying quite a bit. HubSpot Service Hub, on the other hand, has a more transparent pricing structure. While it can also get expensive at higher tiers, there's more of a clear-cut path to getting what you need. It's also worth mentioning that HubSpot offers a free tier with basic ticketing features, which is a nice touch for smaller teams. Another key point is reporting and analytics. Zendesk excels in this area with its detailed dashboards and reporting tools. If you need deep insights into your customer support data, Zendesk has the edge here. HubSpot's reporting is good, especially if you're using it alongside HubSpot CRM, but it doesn't quite match the depth and customization of Zendesk's analytics. So, where do we land? Well, both platforms are great in their own right. Zendesk is ideal for larger teams or businesses that need a highly customizable and robust support system. HubSpot Service Hub shines in its simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for smaller teams or businesses already within the HubSpot ecosystem. But here's the thing, while these are great tools, they might not be the best fit for everyone. After testing both, I personally found a better alternative for the goal of streamlined customer service. If you want something that combines ease of use, flexibility, and advanced features at a reasonable price, I recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our exclusive offer, you can try it for free and see for yourself why it might be the best choice for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get the best free trial available. Remember, Zendesk and HubSpot Service Hub are both solid options, but if you're looking for the most well-rounded and cost-effective help desk software, make sure to take advantage of the free trial in the description.